Hi everyone, today I'm basically going to show you how you can run local voice cloning app on your local machine. So first thing first, you will need to have UV installed because our project basically is a UV project. So based on your system Windows or Mac or Linux, you can choose the appropriate tab and copy the first URL into your terminal and paste it. It will install the UV. It's very simple and easy. Now we are going back to our repository, so let's follow the docs. So first thing, we need to clone the repository, so copy this command and paste it into your terminal. So the repo is clone and we are also into the local voice cloning app directory. So next step is uv sync, that will help us to install all the dependency. So dependency is also resolved. So there is a two way you can run the app using uvrun main.py or uvrun main.py hyphen public. So this public flag basically allow you to enable a gradio publicly shareable link. So I'm going to go with the first option. If you're running it for the first time, it will take some time, so I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so the TTS model basically download for the first time. It takes some time, but yeah, so our code is up and running perfectly. We can copy this URL and you can go back to your browser, paste it over here. Yep, voila. So this is our app interface, and over here by default you can generate a audio. It will be a normal audio, but if you want to reference someone's audio, the person audio you want to clone, you can click on this area and you can navigate to wherever your audio recording file is. In my case it is in my music folder, music, then this one. So I'm using my own voice, you can hear it. Hi, this is me Ariful speaking for a voice cloning audio record. So let's hit generate audio and this started generating the audio. So I will also pause over here because it is going to take some time. Okay, our voice has been generated. Let's listen it out. Now let's explore the beauty of Bangladesh. First, we admire the vibrant streets of Dhaka, the capital, where the buzz of life never stops. So that's it. This is how you can run local voice cloning app on your local machine. And one good thing is that the code is written in such a way it will auto detect if you have NVIDIA CUDA core. If you have it, then it will delegate the task to NVIDIA CUDA processor, and then it will be much faster to generate the audio. Otherwise it will be fall back to CPU mode automatically. So thank you everyone. Let's make awesome voices.